So we have completed our task and we have made gymnast.
We have completed this project in 10 minutes.
So this was our first project, and we have completed more than 7 projects. In future, we will show you more projects.
So how it works means if we pull the gymnast back and if we leave, it goes in the front. And main it is dependent on the ratchet levers. If we turn these levers in the front, the gymnast will go in front. If we turn in back, it will go in back. As you can see. Thank you.
Thank you.
I, Abdulrazak Farman, my friend Sheikh Zakir. Now my friends had made this model gymnast. Now we are going to explain you about gymnast and why we are creating it. The reason behind creating it is we are going to understand Newton's 3 laws of motion and forces acting on it. Now my friend will explain you the Newton 2 laws of motions and forces acting on it.
So the direction of our gymnast is depend on the direction where you are facing your ratchets or lever. For example, if you want to move your gymnast in forward, then you have to place both of the ratchets facing towards. Then you have to pull the gymnast back and release it. You will observe that it is moving in the direction where the ratchet lever will face. This procedure can also be done to move the gymnast backward. So my question is, what will happen if we will place both the ratchets facing each other? We will observe that it is moving to and fro. This is happening because the net force is 0. In Newton's first law, it states that if an object is in rest, then it will be in rest only until and unless if any external force act on it. In Newton's second law, it is defined that the change of momentum of the body is directly proportional to the net force. Now my friend will explain you the Newton's third law.
Newton's third law of motion, action and reaction. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. For example, you will observe that when I pull the gymnast, I am showing the action. When I will release it, it will show the reaction. This is the Newton's third law. Thank you.
From these experiments, I can conclude that I have observed Newton's 3 laws.